Hello, fellow YouTubers. I thought for the first time in a while I would do an unboxing of a Mishibox. As always, these are the version from the F.Y.E stores, and they've been closed for a while, but they finally started opening up in my area, so I thought, what better way to celebrate with a pandemic unboxing? Alright. I am filming with my brand new Samsung Galaxy Tab A, so I have to kind of hold it funny, so bear with me. Alright. Always forget it's better to use the smaller part of the scissor. Or you know what? Heck with it. There we go. Delayed opening like the shipments were delayed. That's a joke, folks. Alright. So, I'm gonna finally flip this over and see what we got. And as always with F.Y.E edition or non-F.Y.E edition Mishi boxes, there is a guide to what you get. Alright, it looks like we're going to have some good stuff here today. This time. Alrighty, the first thing we have is a pomegranate juicy mask sheet. As always, these come with one sheet mask at least, whether it's from F.Y.E or not. And this is from the company F.Y.E Juicy Max Sheet. And as you could see here, provide plenty of vitamins and nutrients for your skin, just like a glass of juice would. We love the cute jug-shaped packaging and light, refreshing scent. Varieties featured include avocado, grape, peach, pomegranate, and aloe. And in this case, I got the pomegranate one, which I am geeked about because I do love pomegranates. Okay. So next, we have a Clear Fit Master Patch by COSRX. And these are natural and invisible covers. It absorbs impurities and oils during the daytime. So basically, these are like the Elizaveta patches I have, and it's probably for acne. I didn't even really need to refer to the sheet to guess what that one is. Alright, and then the next thing we have here is Honey Lip Care by Daycell. Oh, had that one slip on me. Okay, and according to the sheet here, read along with me, Daycell Lip Balm contains 35% naturally derived moisturizing ingredient to keep your lips soft all times. These lip balms use sunflower hybrid oil full of omega-9 fatty acids. Rose variety contains rose water, rosehip fruit, shea butter, and beeswax to revitalize dull lips. And the honey variety uses royal jelly, beeswax, turmeric extract, and shea butter to moisturize dry lips. And right now is really trendy to be using products based with turmeric. Alright, next we have Cosmetea Pore Care Tea Cleanser with green tea and mint. And this couldn't come at a better time because I actually could really use it right now. Because your girl has been breaking out ever since we started have to use the masks. And according to the sheet, Cosmetea's cleanser, which combines tea, water, botanical extracts, and botanical oils for effective, convenient cleansing. Tea cleanser is a balm-type stick cleanser which melts into oil and then foam into a lather to remove makeup, dirt, debris, all in one step. The moisture care variety uses black tea and omega, in parentheses it says Schizandra berries, which is the pink one on the left. Dust out variety combines white tea, lemon, and which is the yellow one. And Pore Care uses green tea and mint, which is the one I got. Alrighty, so I see a little... Okay, just want to double check and make sure there's nothing in there. I see a little gift here, which is L'Adore Perfect Fill-Up Water Mix Special Hair Clinic. Okay, I do love L'Adore, and I actually have gotten a product from them in one of these previous boxes. The L'Adore Perfect Hair Fill-Up Ampule is a highly concentrated hair ampule that repairs damaged hair while nourishing and moisturizing at the same time. It is formulated with rich protein to smooth and straighten your hair. Ceramide, collagen, and amino acids improve the health of your hair. Used to help prevent damage or to repair existing damage from hair dyes and or heat styling. It will leave your hair visibly smooth and touchably silky. This also couldn't have come at a better time because I did one of those quarantine hair projects, and yeah, this will be used immediately. Okie dokie, so let's double check and see if we got anything. Nope, that is it. So thank you for watching this. If you like this video, comment and or subscribe, and I will see you later. Bye!